Sudoku SkVm, I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 1, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Second grade, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. In fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C and ninth row, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then first grade, only one. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 5, 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then it is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 4th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.